Good morning, children. In this 21st period, we shall have to solve some questions from the exercise 2.2. The first question is given as here: if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal set of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here asking us to find A intersection B and B intersection B. Are they equal? Here asking us to what is the relation between A intersection B and B intersection A. Now I am solving this question. Now given that where A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. In set A there are 4 elements. In set B there are 5 elements. I am finding A intersection B. A means set of 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. This symbol is written as cap symbol. Where B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. In both sets, the common elements are written in the result. Here, the common elements are 1, 2, 3 in A. Similarly, 1, 2, 3 elements are also in set B. Hence, I am written 1, 2, 3 and let us equation 1. Then I am finding here B intersection. B means 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. A means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also the common elements are same 1, 2, 3. Let us equation 2. From the both equations one and 2, we observe that equation 1 is equal to equation 2 because equation 1 has same elements as well as equation 2. So I observe that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. We know as this property is abelian property, or it may be called in another word commutative property. Now we find the solution to the second bit. What is the second question is given here? If A is equal to set of 0, 2, 4, then here asking to find A intersection 5 and A intersection A, and also here asking another observation. What is that? What do you notice from the result? When we find the result, we shall have to find the observation in this question. So I am solving in this way. Now the given set A is equal to set of 0 to 4 and 5 is let as null set. I am finding the intersection 5 where 0 to 4 intersection null set. Here there is no common elements in both sets. Then the result is 5. It means null set. Therefore, it is taken as equation 1. I am finding A intersection B, A intersection A, and this means the intersection of same sets. Here A intersection is equal to set of 0 to 4, intersection 0 to 4. The result is same 0 to 4 because in both sets same elements and equal number of cardinal numbers. Here where A intersection A is equal to, if we observe A intersection A is equal to A. Therefore A intersection A is equal to A. Then this property is called idempotent property. Idempotent property. దీన్ని అపవర్తిత ధర్మము అంటారు అని చెప్పేసి మనం ఇంతకుముందు క్లాస్లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఇఫ్ A intersection A is equal to A, then it is called idempotent property. Or A union A is equal to A, it is also called idempotent property. Now third question, if A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Here asking to us to find A minus B and B minus A. Here given that A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. The set A showing here the set of even numbers which are first 5 even numbers. The set of B showing here the multiples of 3, they are like first 5 multiples of 3. Now we shall have to find A minus B. Here I am finding A minus B. A is equal to, the set is written which is given as minus, the set B is also written which is given as. In both sets the common elements are deleted from both sets. The remaining elements of first set is written as result. So here in both sets the common element is only 6. The remaining elements of A 2, 4, 8 and 10 is written. Let us equation 1. Now B minus A is equal to the set of elements of B written as from the given question minus the set of A is also written as from the given question. Here the common elements are deleted from both sets. The remaining elements are written from the first set where B as result. So the result is 3, 9, 12, 15. Let us equation 2. From these both equations if we observe, we find or we conclude A minus B is not equal to B minus A here. So I am written as A minus B is not equal to B minus A. This is the 3 bits solved by me from the exercise 2.2. I am stopping this class. Next class, some more questions will be solved by me. Thank you.